Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Marlon Bennett, guys. I'm gonna be honest. I just polished off a big plate of corned beef hash, wheat toast with strawberry jam, and a little side of grits. Hey guys, it was so good, man. My wife really hooks that stuff up. Hey, how's it going, guys? Happy Monday to everybody, guys. It's me, Marlon, and in today's video, guys, I want to talk about digital marketing. Why you want to learn digital marketing, right? And how you can actually start your own affiliate email marketing business as a digital marketer, right? Inside the digital marketing arena. But what I want to talk about before we even get to that is the price of knowledge, right? What is the price of knowledge, guys? Huh? I mean, really, technically, you can't really put a price on it, right? But when you take the necessary actions, right, to get the desired result of the knowledge that you've gained, right, then it becomes priceless, okay? It really becomes priceless. It's almost like writing yourself a stream of blank checks, believe it or not. And so when you talk about the price of knowledge, this is what I want you guys to think about. Doctors, lawyers, these guys can almost command the amount of money that they make. Why? Because they went through a certain level of training, and they can demand a certain level of income, and they can pretty much write their own checks, right? And so when you think about doctors and lawyers, and there are other professions as well, they talk about practicing medicine, and they talk about practicing law. And that's because law and medicine, there are always deviation and changes in the law and in medicine. And, the overall formulas don't change, but medicine changes all the time, right? So does law. So they practice medicine and law. So as a digital marketer, as an affiliate email marketer, guys, a person who wants to learn to start making money from home inside of digital marketing and affiliate marketing and email marketing, and inside of list building, and which is how I do this, then you want to be in a place where you're constantly learning. You want to learn digital marketing, right? You want to learn, not even if you don't want to incorporate email into it, right? But digital marketing is everywhere that you look around, right? Just look around, guys. Everywhere that you look, there is digital marketing going on. Everything that you probably purchase right now, there's a digital marketing component tied into it. I mean, all across the spectrum in all niches, right? It doesn't matter, guys. I don't care. Goods, services, that's how they transact it now. It's all digital. I mean, this is where we are. I think I remember saying in a video not very long ago that the new illiterate of the 22nd century will not be people who can't read and write. It will be people who don't understand the anatomy of digital marketing and how to transact on the World Wide Web, right? So you want to really get in a place and get in a space where you're learning digital marketing, okay? And it's very simple. It's really not hard at all. You can go out and create yourself a simple little PDF and create your own product, and then you can actually start digital marketing, and you can actually move that product through digital marketing. You guys could actually in this, if you guys are on this video, you're either on my list, of course, and or you're on YouTube. And so one of the things when we talk about learning digital marketing is you want to learn it. I mean, you want to understand it. And when it comes to affiliate marketing, you want to implement it, right? Remember the price of knowledge, right? It depends, right? If you don't implement the knowledge, then it's useless. But if you start implementing what you're learning, it can be priceless, right? So you really can't put a price on knowledge until you start to implement what you learn as you start learning digital marketing, okay? So what I want to talk about in this video is, guys, is when you join, right, with me and anything, one of the things that I do and one of the things that I be working on a lot of times between videos and doing other things that I do is I create bonuses. And I also create over the shoulder training, right? And so I'm not going to go through the whole page, but I'll let you guys know that basically you come onto my list and I actually ultimately, you guys get to stand over my shoulder and watch everything it is I do, pretty much, from sample ads into how. So you're not left on your own in terms of what are you gonna do, right? Once you get that brand new product or service. So I got all kinds of training and stuff on here, guys. And we talk about it in the YouTube videos, but I just want you guys to understand what you're in for if you want to really seriously learn digital marketing, right? Because you need a blueprint, you need some SOPs, some standard operational procedure. And so that's one of the things that I've come to start implementing in everything that I do, right? So everything that I do, you guys kind of meet me a little bit, understand who I am, what it is I do, and then we'll have over-the-shoulder training, right? Because that brand new biz op that you're involved in, that MLM, that network marketing business, they're all fine and good, guys. And now we're talking about affiliate marketing, pretty much outside of the MLMs and or the network marketing models, which are basically affiliate marketing models too. It's just, that's just all it is, right? It's a great idea sitting on your desktop until you understand how to market, and until you understand how to market. And so learning digital marketing with me is all about learning how to become a digital marketer, right? Learning how to market digitally, right? Learning how to create your own automated marketing systems, okay? And so it's not half as complex as most people think. I think a lot of people just simply want to jump online and start making $1 million inside the first year, and somewhere in that space and time when they don't understand marketing and they don't earn anything, they quit. So the attrition rate inside of the affiliate marketing space, it is very high, right? Because a lot of people, they simply don't know how to market. But when you understand and you know how to market and you learn digital marketing, then you get to write your own ticket. Because once you understand the anatomy of automated marketing systems, you understand that these systems can actually work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on total automation, right? Once you literally click a button and run traffic into your automated marketing systems, and you have your automated marketing systems, email marketing system campaigns, and you're able to broadcast your list as you build them, as your list is growing, you literally can go in and hit a few buttons. I'm going to show you guys something real quick. And that can be the beginning and the end of your day, all inside of 30 minutes a day. And let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So I'm inside of my one of my email marketing list, or one of my contact management system inside of Get Response. This is a compilation of lists that I have inside of Get Response. Now I have multiple lists even inside of Get Response, but this is one of them. So hold on for 1 second. I want to show you guys something really quick. So inside of my Get Response contact management system, I'm going to go up here to menu. I'm going to hit email marketing. And when you go to email marketing inside a contact management system, that's where you're able to write up what we call broadcast. And so when I talk about the 30-minute workday, it's more than that, because I do videos and I do other things. But what I'm saying is, when you got this all set up, we talk about the automation in the business, guys, is very simple. And I think you guys are still on my show, and you watched some of me do this before maybe, but you can see I have broadcasts that are already written out and they're scheduled right at this point up to October 9th. But that's just a scheduled broadcast. But if I wanted to do a broadcast right now, and it's Monday, right? So watch this, guys. I'm going to come down to, I think the day is Monday. Let me go over to the next page. I think the day is Monday, September 20, right? So we'll come here where September 20, Monday, right? And as you can see, guys, my actual title, Rainy Days and Mondays, right? Guys might hear my wife in the background. She's in her office working. But anyway, so you see Rainy Days and Mondays, guys. I'm going to send that broadcast right now. Today is Monday. It's not raining outside, but I'm going to go over here and I'm going to reuse it because I sent it once. You guys may have got it if you're on my list, but I want you guys to see this in real time. So I wrote up the actual email, Rainy Days and Mondays. I'm going to go to the next step. And now that I'm on the next step, guys, what's gonna happen is I'm going to be able to go in and schedule this actual broadcast to the list. And so right up here, I talk a little bit more about Rainy Days and Mondays. They used to always get me down, right? But not anymore, particularly once I started learning how to create my own economy. I learned how to create my own economy when I learned digital marketing. Anyway, I wrote the email up. I'm going to come down here. We're going to click and we're going to move to the actual Scheduling now. I got multiple lists up here, guys, and this is a small list. I have bigger lists than this. These, in fact, um, this list, if you guys watched it the last time, you can see it's growing, right? Because I'm sending traffic into these different lists, but I'm sending a message to every single person on this very small list. It's a total of 800 people, and so I included all of them in this blast. And I'm gonna hit next step. And once I hit next step, guys, what's going to happen is I'm going to be prompted to schedule that email if I want to. And when I say schedule, I can hit schedule and I can come over here and you see right here, guys, when it asks for the actual, it's got the months inside of here, but also it's got the time down here too, guys. If you're paying attention, enlarge your screen if you can't see it. It has the time. So you could actually schedule it for the day and time you want it to go. But if you just want to blast your list all at once, at one time, you wouldn't schedule it at all. You would simply go over here to schedule, and then you would simply go to, well, it says your message will be sent according to settings. Let's go back in here, guys, because I want to show you guys something. I want to send it right now. So I'm going to go back in. And I think when I went up to the schedule, I left whatever was in the queue. So I don't want to do that. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to pull it back up. I'm going to go back to the 20th, right? Now you see it's scheduled, rainy days, right? But I'm going to go over here and I'm going to hit edit, right? And now that I've hit edit, I'm going to edit and reschedule. And now, guys, I'm going to come back down here to the next step. And now I'm going to send it right now in real time as you guys are watching. Now, this is the cool thing. You guys are on my list, you're going to get this in a few seconds, right? And so that's what makes this so very powerful and so very cool, because I can do this, schedule the broadcast out in advance, do them right in real time like I'm going to do right now. So we're going to go to next again. And so we're going to come down here and you can see the perfect timing feature. We talked about that. We're going to go to send because I want to send it right now. So let's hit send. And once I hit send, guys, you'll see up here, there's a timer right up here. You can see your message will be sent in 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47. And so that will count all the way down. And when it does, it will actually send that message to everybody on the list that I want to send it to. Now, I did it in real time. I'm speaking on a Monday. So in my subject line is Monday, right? So the recipients know, you guys know you're getting this in real time. So you're watching the process of email marketing, me actually sending an email marketing broadcast in real time. And so you guys, by the time you see this, you would have received this email in your email inbox for you guys who are on my list, right? You would have got it. And so that's email marketing, right? That's email marketing on steroids, and that's the things that we talk about inside of our affiliate email list building lifestyle. And so you guys will get to see all that kind of cool stuff. You'll get to have the different traffic sources when you start building your list, but you already understand that building the list starts with the capture page. But you want to learn digital marketing, because digital marketing is where it is, guys. It's hot. It's never going to go out of style. It's only going to get better. And for any of you guys who are interested in doing what it is I do, guys, just simply click the link in the YouTube video description area. I appreciate you guys sitting in so very, very much. Very, very busy. Miles to go before I sleep. Love you guys, and I will see you guys on the next video. As always, this is your boy, Marlon or Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the next video.